What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another fishing mission. As you can see, it's snowing behind me. Never fished in the snow before. Thought I'd come out here and give it a try. Oh, California raised in Arizona for the last 17 years before I moved here. Hey, this is cold for me out here. It's like 32 degrees, snowing. But you know what? I think it might be a good day to catch some fish. Felt like a fish catching day, so I came on out here. Got a couple different things to use for bait today. Got some magic bait and some worms, and then of course I have my artificials with me, so I'm gonna try some of that stuff out. I'm gonna get my poles rigged up, get in the water, see if we can catch anything. Let's go. Got a piece of magic bait tied up. Toss this out here. That's it. Hopefully a little channel catfish will come along and pick that up. Got one. Just threw a little worm out, I just had it sitting there. A little green sunfish. Alright, there it is. First fish of the day. This is a little bluegill. Or a little sunfish. Kind of got hooked in the gill. So I'm going to take him and throw him on for some live bait. All right, we got this sunfish on a hook. I'm gonna toss this out, let him swim around. No bobber or sinker. Just wanna let him be able to swim freely. I think we'll have more luck today with him on the bottom than him on the bobber, since it's snowing and cold out today. We shall see. And I have been getting bites over here on the worm, so toss that back over there. Pop that back up. Yeah, we're out here at Lone Star Lake, which is south of Lawrence. The reason I picked this spot today is because I knew it had the possibility of snowing. It wasn't supposed to snow until a little bit later, but it started snowing early, so I came out here because it has this awning right here that I can fish under, so I'm not just out in the snow. Got my poles. That's a magic bait, live bait, and then a worm over here. See what we could catch. My first time ever fishing in the snow. For those that don't know, I grew up in between California and Arizona, and then I've lived in Arizona for 17 years as an adult. Moved here in 2020, so I'm still trying to get used to this weather. It's cold, but when you love fishing, it ain't too bad. It's really not too bad. I'm layered up, and I got some thick socks on and whatnot, so it ain't too bad. Got a little mask on, keep my face warm, face and neck, so not too bad. All right, so I just tied on this little Ozark Trail crankbait. It's like a shad color. Throw this around. Got one. First cast. Hey, nice little bass. Alright, well, that was pretty easy. First fish of the day. Little bass in the snow. Snowflakes are getting massive now. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera. I'll let this guy go. Thanks for biting, buddy. Alright, well, first cast. See if we can get another one over here. that's a bit soft. I stopped it for a second. He took it, started to reel again. Didn't even realize that he was on there really. He didn't smack it. It is cold as heck out here. So they're gonna be a little more lethargic too. That makes sense. They're not gonna hit it as hard. I'm coming over on this side, standing in the snow. See if we can get something on this side. Alright, I've been throwing that crankbait around for a little while. Just caught that one bass. Make a little lure change. See if this little jig. Something had it. Damn it. Pulled it out of its mouth. Had the first bite of the day on the magic bait. Put another piece on there after I pulled it out of his mouth. Throw it back out there. Hopefully that fish is still in the area and still feeling hungry. Fresh juicy worm. See if we can find something over here. Got one. That's another bass. On the worm. Hey. Again, they're not biting things hard. I didn't even know he was on until I started trying to reel a little bit. That was not quite as big as the other one that I caught. But again, that's the second bass in the snow. He can be a good looking fish one day. He's chunky. Let's get him back. Backflip. Ooh. I've been getting bites right here on this worm. Let's see if we can catch another one real quick. Something on here? There's something on here. Oh, there was something massive on here. What the heck was that? Felt bites and then went to try to reel it up and there was something heavy on it, but it wasn't a snag because it moved. It was coming up. It might have been a turtle. It kind of felt like a turtle, like dead weight, like a turtle. Jesus, whatever that was, it was heavy. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for today's video. Unfortunately, my hands and my feet are freezing. I can't take it anymore. Been out here for a couple hours in the snow, 32 degrees, so cold. Southern Cali boy like myself, I'm not used to this, so yeah, I'm about to get up out of here. I was able to catch some fish. I caught 3 fish total, 2 bass, and then a little green sunfish, so I call that a success. I kept reading and seeing videos and whatnot, people saying you can't fish in the snow and fish in the cold, but hey, you can do it. You put your mind to it and you come with the right bait, a little patience, you can catch some fish. I didn't catch anything big, but 2 bass isn't bad, and you know, I picked the right baits, didn't know really what I was doing. Came out here, tried a bunch of different little things. The crankbait actually worked, and then the worms, of course the worms worked. And then I actually did get a bite on the magic bait, but wasn't able to hook it. I went to set the hook and pulled it out of his mouth. So that's a little unfortunate. It could have been a 4-fish day, but all in all, I'd say it was a pretty successful day. Pretty successful first time fishing in the snow. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.